Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. I want to eat popcorn, but as mentioned in this package, it takes 3 minutes to cook it. I don't think so. Rocket fuel will take that long. You got it. Today we're going to make a crazy thing. Rocket fuel versus popcorn. So let's get started. First we will take rocket fuel. Rocket fuel is nothing but a mixture of sugar and potassium nitrate, which is used to make rockets in a small size, and it has a wide range of applications. You can make smoke bombs or an emergency flare with the same mixture. Check the iCards or links in the description to know the recipe of it. Let's move forward to see how rocket fuel pops out popcorn. You can check my other videos for rocket fuel recipe where I experimented with different ratios of sugar and potassium nitrate. I made a pile of rocket fuel and it's time to add in our popcorn. Let's empty the packet. And add a fuse to it. You can make your own fuse. I made a separate video on that. Check it out after watching this. Everything is set. We are good to go. Let's burn it. Whoa. It's like a giant smoke bomb. After the fire went off, I checked the corns. Very few popped. I felt disappointed, but after a few seconds they began to pop with the heat. That looked just like a normal popcorn. But anyways, it's a crazy experiment. Do not try this at home. At least it didn't take 3 whole minutes to pop the popcorn. It took less than a minute, but I cannot eat it though. I have conducted a similar experiment with eggs as well. Check that video, it will be awesome. When you burn potassium nitrate and sugar independently, nothing happens. But when you mix both of them and set it to fire, it will burn very efficiently. That's the reason behind rocket fuel's that big fire. I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy video, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Meet you next week with a brand new video. Until then, keep exploring infinity.